This is one of the best value price to performance GPU on the market. It is the AMD Radeon RX 9060 XT 16GB, and this special one is the ASRock Challenger. So in this video, I'm gonna unbox it for you, and also I'm gonna show you how to install it in your PC, and I'm gonna give you a very important tip on how to remove the plastic covering from the fan because they are frustrating to remove. So let's unbox it. Let's open the box. The GPU is protected in an anti-static bag, and this is everything in the box. So you have the GPU that I'm gonna open now, and you have the documentation, and the GPU is protected by this plastic film. So let's remove this plastic film. This graphic card look really very nice. There's even a plastic film here on the fan. This is hard to remove. And this is really frustrating. I mean, I don't understand why they put plastic film on the fan here. It makes no sense. No sense at all. So this is a wooden toothpick to remove it. At last it is removed. Gonna remove this one too. So the toothpick is gonna do the job. So here it is removed now. So it has also plastic protection here. Let's remove it. This one, thankfully, is easy to remove. And of course, the pins are protected. I'm gonna remove the protection when I install it. The card has two display ports output and one HDMI output. And it has two fans. And it is really small if you wanna install it like in a micro ATX case. So now I'll be installing the GPU on this micro ATX motherboard. And it fits exactly between the radiator of the AIO and the chassis. And it should go into the PCIe 5.0 slot. So I'm gonna slide it here, and when it is aligned, push it in place until the latch clicks. And here it is in place. Now we need to secure it with two screws, and the screws came with the chassis. And to power it, I need to install this cable in the PSU. This is a PCIe cable that has 8 pins, and the GPU takes 8 pins. So let me install first the end that goes into the GPU. Make sure that the power is well installed. And let's install now the other end in the PSU. So any port in the PSU that is PCIe, you just connect it to it. And here it is installed. Now that you know how to remove the plastic covering from the fans of this GPU, maybe you want to check it out. So I'm going to leave an affiliate link in the description. If you make a purchase using this link, I'll gain a small percentage at no cost to you. And this will support my channel. And if you liked my video, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. I want to thank you all for watching. I'm Eloy from Stuff Around the House. See you in the next video.